Good morning, guys. I just realized that I haven't given you a tour with my stuff in it. So I will show you what I've done. So I've hung my Christmas ornaments up on the wall because I don't have a tree and I've got more things that I need to get than that. Those are my decorations in that area. When you come through the door, there is this little area, which is going to be used for storage. But I've just got some more Christmas stuff in here at the moment. I've got lots of storage covered, so it's quite nice. I've got a ceiling fan and a heat pump in this room, which it's very hot. It's like 25 degrees. Just woken up, so. And then this is all storage. I've got this cutesy little cupboard. I've just put my Christmas ornaments up. And there, my picture of my best friends and girls from my wedding. My angel that changes colors. She's fiber optic. She's from Canada. And so yeah, this is my big living room. I don't have a couch yet, and that's just two dressers put together to hold the TV. This TV was cheaper than my other TV by probably like double. This was only like $522, and I think my other TV was like $1,200. So some more Christmas ornaments. And then my new TV. And more storage. This is like one of those ones that you can pull out and put stuff in. Dishwasher. Got my morning dishes in there, so don't mind that. I've got my pan that I'm using for my chicken veggies tonight already out. Kettle. More storage. I just bought these plates because they were blue. I could have got the $12 ones that were only white, but those were $29, and blue is just my thing. My coffee stuff that I brought from home. Glasses. Those glasses I brought from home, but I had to buy all the other ones. And then my laundry. I just got that laundry washing machine. It's an 8 kg, so I'm pretty excited about that. And it doesn't have the middle piece, which is great. Yeah, so I can't wait to use that. Probably use it tonight, actually. And then I've got my Dyson vacuum over here. This was the most expensive thing that I brought. It was like $722. The only thing is I think you have to hold the button down the whole time you're vacuuming. So that's annoying because I didn't want one like that, but it is what it is. And then you go into, I've just got these doors closed. But I probably need to, I might open it up because it does smell in here a little bit. Probably because it's hot. So I've got the spare room with a big closet. These closets are so deep you can go right inside them. I'll leave this door open. And then a spare bathroom. A spare bathroom. I'll leave it open. We've got a plumber coming today to do something. I don't know. Then there's a door. because this is a bedroom with an ensuite. So this is my bedroom. I mean, my bathroom. It's quite spacious. And the light doesn't work in here, so we're hopefully gonna get that fixed. Got my hat there. And then so far I've just got my blow-up bed and my 2 dressers. And it goes out onto the deck, like I said. But yeah, so that is my new humble abode for now. I still need, obviously, a bed and a couch are the 2 things that I will be getting. I don't know when, because, yeah, hopefully soon. Hopefully soon, because I think my nephew's coming in December. So, anyways, I hope you enjoyed this tour. I need to go to work now, so. And as you can see, I'm wearing a different top because I finally got a work shirt. Yay!